Hello, what's up, and namaskara everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vlogster Sashi. I didn't sleep. I slept around 3 hours, I guess. I slept at 2 o'clock and got up at 5. And the reason behind me not sleeping is, guess, I am going for a ride. These are my ride things. Yes, finally, after 6 months. My last ride was in October. I have mentioned this many times in my previous videos. My last ride was in October. After that, now only we are riding. Yes, pretty much excited about the ride. Now the time is going to be 7 o'clock. I got up at 5 o'clock, made all these things ready, and made all my electronics ready, and made sure everything is charged. From the time I have started my YouTube channel, this is going to be my first ride. So first time I'm going to carry so many of the electronics, and first time I'm going to carry my laptop also. If at all I can edit the vlog there and upload it there itself. So yeah, it's going to be a completely new setup. I don't know how to carry the laptop. Let's see. I think I can put it in the bag and I can carry it. I'll show you what and all I'm carrying, and after that I'll go put everything on the bike and come back and leave. I'm already in my avatar. As you can see, I'm wearing my tights, my riding pant. So I'm going to carry this helmet. I'm not going to carry my other empty helmet. So I've set GoPro in the shop, and yesterday I made it. Seat cushion. It is a short ride. It's around 250 kilometers, but still I'm going to carry this. Rain pants. This is my rain gear. This is my jacket. This is my bag which I'm gonna carry everything, and this is the rain cover for that. These are my clothes, some extra t-shirts in case if I need, my balaclava, some extra masks, gloves, and the tank bag. Tank bag mein there is the rain cover for tank bag, and my riding boots, bungee cords. These are my electronics, my watch, phone, the camera, main camera charger, my wallet, GoPro ka dual battery charger, some sanitizer, my keys, extra J-mount and some screws, and my mobile charger, extra charger, extra GoPro battery, small GoPro tripod, Portronics multi-charger, and my laptop. And laptop ka charger. I am carrying less clothes, and I like to travel light. मेरे पास Pioneers या टॉप बॉक्स नहीं है, तो एक ही बैग में सब कैरी करना पड़ता है. So always I try to travel as lighter as possible. So time is already 7 o'clock. So we had to be meeting at 7 o'clock. It's already 7 o'clock. I'm still in my house. I have not left. I called my friends. They have already left their houses. So let me put everything on the bike and come back and get ready and leave.
Such another podium, and there they are. I'll introduce them once we start riding. I stop for something. Hey, my riding partner. Stop. So let me take the stop. Welcome last. It goes to Pune, Mumbai, Tumkur, Chitradurga, Hubli, Goa. Pura एक road straight. This is irritating me. This is irritating me. So इसको कुछ करना पड़ेगा. अभी देखता हूँ अगर टूल किट मिलेगा तो. उसका नंबर प्लेट नहीं है हर्षा का. मेरा भी नंबर प्लेट नहीं है, because last ride में वो गिर गया, and then we did not put. We are carrying with it in our bag. over जा. So this is the Mangalore route, Bangalore Mangalore route. एक ट्रिप मारिए. फ्यूल हो गया है फुल टैंक. 1 पॉइंट कम का रहा है, क्यों पता नहीं. डाली थी फुल टैंक फ्यूल रेस. 310 किलोमीटर दिखा रहा है, तो आराम से गाड़ी चिकमंगलूर तक चला जाएगा. अभी घर से हम चलाए हैं 57 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम हाउस. ಬೇರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇದು. So 57 kilometers from house, another 200 kilometers I guess, 150 kilometers is Hassan, probably from my house. ಒಂದು ಸಾವಿರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿನ್ನ 800 ಆಯಿತು, 4 ಐತೆ. चीज पता हो के भी नहीं दे रहा है. हे मेरा टैंक बैग में इधर ये रखा है, इधर ग्लासेस है, इधर रेन गियर है, कैमरा है. अभी हमको मारनी है हवा हवा हवा. सब कैरी करके जाने का ना दूसरा ही मजा आता है, स्ट्रगल का. हो गया, चलो जी मारेंगे हवा. 57 किलोमीटर पे फ्यूल डाला है. सर 32 ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ 32ನಾ 32 ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಹಾಂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. We just crossed Yadiyur and we are heading towards Chandrayapatna, CR Patna. This is the second toll on this road.
We stopped here for a breakfast. Mask bitsu maka torso. So this is also my cousin Harsha Vardhana. So he is the one who is riding Duke 200. This is the lineup: KTM Duke 390, Duke 200, and that is the Royal Enfield. Nothing much to eat also here, only idlis are available, so we'll manage with idlis right now. और देखेंगे, I think extra kilometer बंदिदे 120. In my bike it is showing 120 and in his bike it is showing 135. He comes from Indiranagar, so it is showing 135 kilometers from his bike. The temperature is around 26-27 and there is no traffic at all in the roads. As you can see, the road is completely empty. This guy had gone for susu, now he is coming back. Say hi yo. Hi. Jora geli. Hi. Jora geli. Heart attack. Okay, we'll have a breakfast and then we'll relax here for some time and then we will leave from here.
1 hour later.
We had a nice breakfast here at this small hotel. We had idlis and some lemon rice. It was good, it was spicy. So budget में भी हो गया. And दूसरा कुछ होटल खुला नहीं तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. The boys are getting ready. I'm also ready with my jacket. हेलमेट पहन के गाड़ी पे बैठ के बूम बूम निकलने का.
Time is 12:10. I think it's going to be completely single road till our homestay till Chikmagalur. It is around 65 kilometers from Hassan. So I think we have almost come 5 kilometers I guess from Hassan. And from house we have come 187 kilometers in 2 hours 36 minutes plus breaks. लो जी कैमरा ऑफ किया आ गया. वेलकम टू चिकमंगलूर लैंड ऑफ कॉफी. बोले ब्रो बाइक पार्किंग भी मस्त है. सुकून मिल गया. सुकून मिल गया. ऐसा सुकून सोल इज सैटिस्फाइड. ऐसा ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೈತ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. So this is the homestay. Looks awesome. हम भी आ गए, रेन भी आ गया. It's just superb the place. Oh God, I'm just laying down here in this. Mom, camera ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ